Hello everyone, welcome for the today's video. In the today's video, I wanted to share you the how to read the book and confidently, and after reading the book, how to speak confidently with the person who with in front of you. As you can see that I have a book called Atomic Habit, an easy and proven way to build good habit and break bad ones, by James Clerk. As you seen this book, now to read about this book, first of all, what lesson that we have to taken from this book. I read the book 1 hour ago, so that what can I will receive the information that I say to you, that because this book was recommended as a very much better book, because this book was helping a lots of people to create himself to be that he wanted to become who he was. So that this book was helping a lots of people. So that I also wanted to try to take a decision that to improve my communication skills, or bettering myself to become a good listener, or good, or becoming to be a good personality in myself. So that take an initial strategy toward myself. Let's try to read the book. The first point says that the surprising power of atomic habit. What is the surprising power? The surprising power tells that anything that you will need to achieve, first of all you have to find the worst thing that you will missing about yourself, because the thing that you will living for yourself, that was the worst thing for yourself, and it will be helping you to improve your self. So that this is the point. There was also say that why small habit make a big difference. The answer is that a small habit make a big difference, because even we all ignore that the small things that we can do with ourselves, because by ignoring such a thing, this will make a big difference for ourselves. As lots of time we ignoring this, because as this book has said that meanwhile improving by 1% is not particularly noticeable. uh, Improving 1% is not should be noticeable, but improving it sometime it even noticeable, it is not even noticeable, but it can be far more meaningful, especially in the long run. एज द ये बुक हमें समझाना चाहती है कि ये कुछ कुछ छोटी छोटी आदतों से हमें कुछ कोई बड़ा वाला आंसर नहीं मिलता, बट कुछ बड़े समय के बाद हमें एक ऐसा बदलाव, जब लॉन्ग रन पे हम लोग दौड़ते हैं तो हमें एक बड़ा बदलाव नज़र आता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, एज आई हैव टेक अ इनिशियल स्टेप टूवर्ड टू कम्युनिकेटिंग पीपल विद द इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन विद द फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, and the initial step has to taken, but by communicating with the 1%, it will be not improving my communications, but by regular doing by 1%, in the long run it will be helping myself to become a good communication or good English speaking person. So that and there was having also an image, so that 1% better every day. This means that if the graph slope was going upward, then it will helping you to becoming to be a growth related person, because if you grow with a 1% every day, then at the last of the year you get improved by 137%. But if you will decrease your 1%, then you will go to down toward the 0.003%. And also the another page has so that the positive compounding and the negative compounding. Let's know about that, what is positive compounding and what is negative compounding. The positive compounding says that productive compound means if you are doing 1% better in your life, yeah, you will even a long in the long run, your skill will be improved day by day by many more click per rate or many more extra things. But in negative compound, stress compound was taken, because let's suppose you are going to your exam should be in a month, and you was not practicing for the maths preparation or for any of the task that you have to be given, and last week you get lots of stress toward yourself and finding yourself that you was not doing anything, and you was just a joke for yourself, and your marks would be decreases as much as and the knowledge compound. The positive compounding also says that the knowledge of compound will be also increases, because if you are bettering your 1%, you have to improve the knowledge, or need the extra knowledge that you that should be helping for yourself to becoming to be a growth related person. And relationship compound also, it helps to the relationship compound in positive compound, because by improving 1% you will get day improving yourself day by day, and the relation with the people will be also very much good for yourself or good with the another person, and helping to communicate people with very fluently or easily. Another point is that in the negative compounding, negative thought compound was taken to be in your mind. Always had, if you are belonging from the poor families, or poor families, then your mind always set up that why I am poor, why said belong to be poor, why I uh, mm, continue to as a poor person, why I cannot die, and lots of thing was taken in our self, and thoughting itself that we are born to be poor and we died as a poor. But the positive thinking is say that if you are born poor, then don't worry, we can not not die poor, because we have to take a work upon it ourselves. And the first of all thing that you have to be poor and you have to be get reached. A single thing is that that change in yourself. If you are a person who will just wasting your money and wasting your time, then you will be a set as a waste related person, and you will not consider to be a rich people. But the rich mentality people will be showing by the changing in himself. Outrage compound. The outrage of compounds confidence. Let the another topic will say that what progress is really like. The progress really like that. Imagine that you have an ice cube sitting on the table in front of you. The room is cold. Let's suppose that an example say thought by the book, that if an example that you take a ice cube in front of the table, and let's suppose counting the time that decreasing the sorry increasing the temperature of the ice cube, and and watching it still, that when it good it take started melting. Thus it slowly the 12 6 degree, 12 7, 28, and last time, and the last as a time the 30 degree, it will start melting. It will start melting because the temperature was goes up or down from 26 to 30. This was not to be ingredient, but the point is to be noticed that the single 1% would be added by the compounding, so that this will be helping for yourself to be get reduced by your self. Sorry, I cannot explain, but I have some suffering that so sorry, the book has tried to explain for ourselves that if we read the book, or if we take a cube of ice and take it from the our take it and just throw it, or just take in front of the table and wait for melting it. The temperature was goes down. Here the temperature begin to heat up 26 degree, 27 degree, dash dash dash, and after 31 degree it start melting. The point is not the still nothing has happened. The 32 degree is the ice get melt. The 32-degree ice get melt because the compounding effect of the 1% of increasing the temperature of heat, this will affect the whole temperature. But it is not mandatory that the 32 degree of the temperature will affect the growth of the this thing. So that another topic is that there was called that forgotten about the goal focus and system instead. Here the graph said that the plateau of a latent potential, here the result and here the disappointment. If you think what you think should happen and what actually happened, the thing is that you have to just move it to yourself and work upon yourself and doing much more than upon yourself. And the development shows after a long time in the long run, the because in taking a small changes in your life, after a time it will helping yourself to be a great change in yourself. The change forgotten about the goal focus and system instead. First of all, the thing is that any person who was becoming to be a successful person not to be done in the single day, expected to be not get on a lottery. And another thing, the thing is that if a person who becoming to be successful, there was having a lots of year back, or lots of time has to be taken, because in his sorry in his sorry I cannot explain.